वंदे which one? Okay. Now okay. Still the sound coming. Now. Okay. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatha Nitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitancha Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Nilachala Nivasaya Nityaya Paramatmani Balabhadra Subhadrabhyam Jagannathaya Te Namaha Angasya Malima Chhatabhiravitu Mindi Kritendivaram Jadyang Jagudaruchishang Vidadhatang Patambaram Chasriyang Vrindaranya Vilasino Hrudila Satadama Bhiramodaram Radha Skanda Nivesita Jalabhujam Dhyaye Madamodaram Bhavi Bhavi Tatha Bhakti Padayoho Tavajayate Tatha Kurusha Devi Nathastvang No Jataha Prabhu Namo Sankirtanam Jasya Sarva Papa Pranashanam Pranamo Dukha Samanang Stang Namami Hari Param Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gauru Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namami Sarang Sachidanandarupam Lasadkundalango Kule Bhrajamanam Yasmami Sarang Sachidanandar Yashodabhiyolukhalabdhabamanam Paramrishtamortya Tatodrita Gopya Rudantang muhurnetra yugmang sujantam Karambhoja yugmena shatanka netram Moho swasakampa trirekhanka kantham Thita grivadamodarang bhakti badham Moho swasakampa Namami sarang sachidanandarupam Lasatkundalango kule bhrajamanam Namami Iti drikshvalila virananda kunde Saghosang nimajanta makyapayantam Tadiyasita bhaktirjita Puna prematastam satabruti vande Tadiyasita नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेशादपीह वरं देवमोक्षं इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनसा विरास्तं किमन्ये नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दमं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् इदं ते मुखाम्भोज अत्यन्तनीले वृतं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या इदं ते मुखाम्भोज मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसकुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख जालाब्धिमग्नं नमो देवदामो कृपा दृष्टिवृष्टाति दीनं बतानु गृहाणि समामज्ञ मेधकीदृश नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामि कुबेरात्मजौ बधमूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रजच्छ न मुख्ये ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामि नमस्ते स्तुदाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमोऽन्तनीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो दामोदर राधा दामोदर दयाकर राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर दयाकर राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. जय श्री गुरु गोरंग राधा दामोदर जी की जय। जय श्री ब्रजेश्वरी राधा रानी की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। First of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace Nitya Leela Prashtung Vishnupada Srila Sri Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Leela Pravishta Vishnupada Srila Sri Bhakti Jivana Janardana Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Leela Pravishta Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, with all associates, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswami Thakur Prabhupada, still coming. And by the mercy of Sri Guru Gauranga, Sri Radha Ras Bihari, we are continuing our this Radha Damodara Vrata. And first we discussed about Damodara Astak, then we discuss this Jugala Gita. Maybe some problem. This is also coming, bro. Both coming. Some need unmute.
You have to unmute. You have to mute you on your side, I think.
So we are fixing all the little problem. This sound, resound coming. So yesterday we discussed from Jugala Gita in the verse 8 and 7, how the rivers, they stopped their current to going into downward. By ecstasy, the liquid becomes solid and they can't flow down, they come out. And these rivers, they want to go to touch Krishna's feet, embrace to feet. And then they want to break the dam, two sides, but they could not break, and they just suffer like us, same like separation. So one Gopi explained about this non-living material, this waters, how they also attracted by Krishna's flute. So first they discussed about demigods, then second they discussed about the animals, and third they discussed about the rivers and other creatures. Now next the another gopi, she explained, oh, I saw how Krishna's flute attracting अनुचरे समनुवर्णित वीर्य आदि पुरुष इवाचल भूति वनचरो गिरितटेषु चरन्ति वेणुना होयति गासजदाहि वनलता तरव आत्मनि विष्णु व्यञ्जयन्त इव पुष्पफलाढ्या प्रणत भार विटपा मधुधारा प्रेम हृष्ट तनव ससृजुष्म. Here these two verses explaining Anucharehi Samanu Varnita Virja. Anucharehi. With Krishna, all his cowherd boys, friends, they are following to Krishna and they are glorifying to Krishna's all extraordinary qualities. How our Krishna, he killed Putana and Vatsa demons, Trinavarta, Aghasur demon and Bakasura, and how he took Govardhan, all his pastimes, they are glorifying and dancing, and they are in the forest, they are following with Krishna, like how it looks, Adi Purusha iva apchala bhutihi. It looks like Adi Purusha, Lord Narayana, Vishnu. When it comes, many sages, demigods, all devotees, they also glorifying to him with all Vedic mantras and songs, they also glorifying him. So same here, Adi Purusha iva achala bhuti. His bhuti, his opulence is so unlimited. All mystic power with him. So same Krishna looks like that. All his friends, they are glorifying. Ivachala bhuti. Vanacharo giri tatesu charanti. Vanacharo, all animals, cows, bulls, oxen, deers, and all others, they are grazing in the forest there near Govardhan. Venuna havati gahasajadhai. When the cows and buffalo, deers, and they go distance, then Krishna play his flutes to call them. Then he called his name. Oh, Padma, oh, Kalindi, Ganga, Yamuna, so these calling by their names. So when he called, all the cows where they were opposite side of Govardhan, when they heard this, then they also, they call, they say Hamba, they say, and they come. So when the cows are coming, but same time, other creatures, like here, Banalata Tarava Atmani Vishtung, this Banalata Tarava, in this forest, trees and creepers, they are completely, they cannot have motion. But when Krishna was calling to cows, these trees and creepers, they also hear and they started to motion. They tremble, their body, their branches, leaves, and what they did, Pranata Bhara Vitapa Madhudhara Atmani Bestung Vyanjayantaiva Pushpa Phalada. They know he is our Atma. Krishna is super soul. So he is soul of every living creature. So they understand this. Then they Atmani Bestung Vyanjayantaiva Pushpa Phaladya. They are offering pushpa phala, flowers and fruits, and madhudhara, the honey liquids, this flowing from their flowers. But how they offer this? Their branches and the sub-branches, the Venus, they all just bow down with their flower and fruits. Not fell down, just to bow down, offering. Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur told, here the trees are like male, creepers are like female, and they are like wife and husband. When some Guru Vaishnavas are coming with Sankirtan, the householders together, wife, husband, together they come and offer, bow down and offering fruits and flowers and some bhogo. Same, these creepers and trees, they also become so ecstasy and love by this flute sound. They, when Krishna is passing there, they also bow down with their branches, sub-branches, and come this flower and offering. Honey, flower, and fruits. Pushpa phaladhyaha pranata bhara vitapa madhudharaha prema hrusta tanavaha sasrujusmaha. Prema hrusta tanavaha. Their tanu, this body, all their tree body, hrusta, like our hair standing in the body, same, they also body becomes like hrusta, become very blissful, and they feel such prema hrusta tanavaha sasrujusma. They, if they have no that time also flower or honey, but naturally it comes. naturally it comes, and they are offering it to Krishna. When Krishna was moving with his friends and playing flutes to call cows, here all the cowherd boys, his friends, they are glorifying like Adi Purushaiva Chala like in the Lord Narayana, how they sages, devotees with Vedic mantras and shuktas, stabas, they are also glorifying to him, chanting, praying. Same this voice they are chanting when they are passing this trees and birds, trees and creepers, they also offering, they are doing service. What to say about other creatures, about demigods, about animals, about other creatures? They have life, they have senses, they are sensitives. But these trees and birds, the creepers, they don't have such senses. Still, by their flutes, they affected and they generated their love and they offered to Krishna. I saw this. So here, these trees and birds, they also, with conjugal love, they are also servicing to Krishna. So, another gopi, they say this. Then next verse told, another gopi is told, Darsaniya tilako vanamala divya gandha tulasi madhumati alikuler laghu gitam abhistam adriyanjahiri sandhita venu sarasi sarasa hansa vihanga चारु गीत हृत चेतस एत्य हरिमुपासत तेजत चेता हंत मिलित दृशो धृत मौना. In the Mauna, in the 10th and 11th, this both verses here explaining Darshaniya Tilako Vanamala. This Tilaka and Vanamala. Krishna, he made tilak with this mineral there in Govardhan. There is red color. The friends they brought and they put tilak, decorated to Krishna. So this is very beautiful. Huh? Small Krishna and with his dark blue body and decorated with collected from Govardhan there, red color. They put themselves, like see some yogis, bam bam bole, they put all vibhuti in their body. So they came, they don't get like sandal paste this. But this is natural. Vrindavan's. So they Darshaniya Tilaka, they make to Tilaka to Krishna. All they also put Tilaka. They make to him, they make to him, they make to him, they decorated themselves. Tilaka and Vanamala. Vanamala with the leaves and flowers, some fruits, different colors, Vaijayanti Mala, they make their ends decorated there to Krishna. So Darshaniya Tilako Vanamala, Divya Gandha Tulasi Madhumate, and they make also Tulasi Mala. Tulasi Mala they make and offering to Krishna, Divya Gandha. This aroma is Divya. The fragrance with the Tulasi, all this is divine, transcendental. Tulsi have this mala, but never devotees can smell this. Others they cannot. So when Vanamala by flowers, other Jalaki, Jasmine and other malas there, then what happened? Madhumatihi. When this madhu, honey, with these flowers, if Krishna's body, also this honey is in the flowers there, so what happened? Alikule alaghu gitam abhistam. Alikule. Ali means the bee, honey bee, and the bumblebee. They attracted to the fragrance and for honey. So all their group, all this together, they follow with Krishna and they are singing. They are singing, boom, 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 boom. So many they are singing. So this sound, it is so beautiful with the flute sound, and the bee sound with nice aroma from flowers and from tulsi. Then all decorated with the tilak, garland. Ali kuleira laghitam abhistam adriyana jahiri sandhita venu. When Krishna changed his raga with the vibration of his sound of flute, then what they do? Other birds who are living in the water, like crane and other birds like sarasa, sarasi, sarasa, hansa, bihanga. Hansa means swan, and sarasa, they are little big size, like crane. Sarasa, bihanga, charu gita hruta cheta sahitya. When they hear the flute sound and the bumblebee, honeybee, they are also singing, sound together comes. So all these who are living in the water, these birds come out from water. Then what they do? They give up everything, all their sensual activities, don't move, don't see, they close their eyes. Hari mupasata tejata chita hanta milita drusho dhruta mauna. They immediately come and sit, close their eyes, and inside they meditate and worship to Hari, Hari mupasata, Hari to Krishna. They worship with their soul, with their mind. They worship. How beautiful, how we are so fortunate. In this our bird body, we also fortunate to receive his mercy and sweet sound. So inside, they close their eyes and meditate and worship this. They became like his associates. So here, like yogis, they closed their eyes, sit on lotus asana posture, and they breathe air and practice pranayama. Then they meditate, chanting mantra. Here, these birds, they also same sit and meditate, and inside they enjoying this flute sound. So in Vrindavan, all these creatures, even trees and birds, they all took birth to serve to Krishna, to take a part of Krishna's pastimes. Now, gopis, they explained this. They understood because they are the Alladini Shakti by his internal potency. So they know this. Others, non-devotees, are not so elevated, not internal, the such devotee, Uttama Bhagavatas, can see not a Kanishta Madhyama if they go to Dhama. They don't see the tattva there. All devotional pastimes, all there. But Mahabhagavatas, pure devotees, they see every creatures, all they are just part of the Leela, and they witness, they saw and they enjoy this. And this is the bhava regarding the pursuedness, this realization. They realize this. Not others, they can't enjoy this. So here, that is real, because he super soul, he appeared here, he is doing pastimes. All the birds, trees, creepers, and rivers, and even demigods, all they how they part of each pastime and they enjoy this. So this is explained to Uddhav. Uddhav was in Vrindavan with them. So one after another, gopis, how they experience with Krishna. So they say, you see, we are inside our house. Even the birds, they are enjoying with Krishna. These trees and creepers, they are enjoying with this. They are offering fruits and flowers, honey, they are offering to them. So why we are here? Why we are staying here? We should go there and serve him, and we take a part from him. So they told to Uddhav, we are whole day we were suffering. When he will return? By hearing his flute sound, we always affected with the separation. And now, no more flute sound coming. And we never get such ecstasy. Now we suffer by his separation. So you now understand here, you tell him when he will go to Mathura, you tell him when he will come. Again, he distribute this rasas from flute sound and give us again life to all trees, creepers, birds, animals, rivers, all we are suffering here. To Uddhava, glorify to him and pray to him, oh, when I can get such fortune, so I can understand, I can see in Vrindavan like gopis. Therefore he prayed their feet dust. In the last verses, it will come. Uddhavas. Okay, thank you. Now it's time. Little we chant Damodara, Govinda Damodara one verse, already passing time. Today we discuss 12 and 13. No? 11 and 12. अभ्यर्चगेहं जुबती मुकुंद प्रेम प्रवाहादधि निर्ममंथ अभ्यर्चगेहं जुबती मुकुंद प्रेम प्रवाहादधि निर्ममंथ गायन्ति गोप्यथ सखी समेता गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गायन्ति गोप्यथ सखी समेता गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति विक्रेतु कामाखिल गोपकन्या मुरारिपादार्पित चित्त वृत्ति विक्रेतु कामाखिल गोपकन्या दध्यादिकं मोह वशात् वचेत् गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 दामोदर गोविंद राधे 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 राधा माधव गोविंद राधे राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि जय श्री गुरु गौरंग गंधर्विका गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपीनाथ मधुरम राधा दामोदर जी की जय। बलदेव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जी की जय। विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र कृष्ण महाराज की जय। श्री भक्ति जीवननाथ श्री महाराज श्री भक्त वेदांत महाराज की जय। श्री कार्तिक व्रत की जय। श्री पार्वती प्रभु की जय। हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। ऑल डिवोटीज की जय। गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल। Why resound came? Problem.
It's on their side, Lord.
Huh?
It's on their side. They're doing something on their side. You turn it down, they turn it up.
No, we have to close this. Yes. You see, now we close. There was an option. We did this. Why didn't I do before? There is an option to close. Also, it comes from there. Venice also comes. Super good night. It is shared.